This video will cover the setup of the new Performance Console in Hoopla. To begin, we will navigate either to the Reports section or to the actual Performance Console over in the left-hand navigation. Here you'll be able to add a console. Before we begin, if you are looking for your old priority cards, you can click here to see the priority cards and then come back to the Performance Console. So to begin, we'll simply click Add to add a new Performance Console. We will give the console a name. Then we will pick a team that we would like to display on the console. A team can only be displayed once. You'll see that this one is grayed out because it's already been used. So we'll choose a team that has not been used yet and select that. Next, we're going to select the primary metric for that team. This is the metric that will have most of the dynamic features around it. So we'll hit this drop down and look for a metric. Now, only monthly and quarterly time span metrics can be selected. So we'll choose number of deals month, quarter to date. And we'll choose the time span because right now it's undefined. If it's brought in from a Salesforce report, you'll notice that the time span is already defined in the metric, or if you've defined the metric time span in the metrics and uploads area, that will show as well. But we can simply choose the time span, choose the time zone you would like, and then which direction ranking we would like, high to low or low to high. Next, we'll choose if we'd like to show the projection, which is how the player should do if they continue on the path they are. You have an option for a second and a third metric, so we'll fill those out. Again, we'll select a metric, choose a time span. You can see here that you can have daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly for this. Choose a time zone, your ranking direction, and your projection. We'll also add a third metric. Choose our time span, time zone, ranking direction, and projection. Once we've completed that, we are done and ready to go, so we will click Save in the top right corner. At that point, we can navigate to the Performance Console. You will show as yourself here when you first log in, but you can choose to view the console as another player using this drop-down. So we'll use that drop-down. You can either click into this box and scroll to find your player, or we can type and bring up a player. Once we've chosen the player, you'll be able to see their Performance Console. You can see the overall view or a detailed view. Currently this only has Q2. And when we set it into a detailed view, it'll split it up into the months. This is the 71% compared to the same time last quarter. And then the person's contribution to the total metric amount, where they're ranked on any leaderboards. Here's our secondary metric and our third metric. You can also see along the side we have the person's name, what teams they're a part of, and which trophies and awards they've won. Additionally, if you're a team admin, you can add comments and to-dos. If you write a comment, you could say, today remember to turn in your forecast, or you can add checkboxes and post. They'll be able to see who sent the comment and be able to check those off as they go through them. That is our Performance Console. If you have any questions, please contact us at csm@hoopla.net. Thank you.